Hello and welcome back to the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Today is day 3 of the baby steps. For today's challenge is a super duper simple one. But first, look down to your feet. Are you dressed to shoes? If not, go ahead and get dressed to shoes first and I'll wait. Now, by the way, if you do not have any house shoes that you can wear, just take a pair of old shoes that you haven't worn in a while, wipe down the soles, and you're good to go. Shoes for free $99. Also, last night, did you shine your sink? And make sure you do that tonight as well. For today, we're going to go over the Fly Lady website and walk through some of the things that I find interesting in her site in order to simplify your Fly Lady journey and how we're going to make it fun today since it is such a super duper. Today, we're going to go on her Fly Lady website and we're going to do the pamper mission that is there. It's going to be a surprise for all of us. I don't even know what it is, because that is going to be so much fun. So you're going to go to flylady.net on your internet browser of choice. And once you're there, you're going to select the launch pad. In the launch pad, you're going to select any couple of these different options. I usually like the sneak peek of the week. I used to use the detail cleaning when I was first starting. The zones, the missions are always super fun. The flight plan is amazing as well. The daily focuses, the habits of the month. If you have children, the Fly Lady Kids Challenge are super duper fun, and cruising to the holidays is very useful during that season. Let's start with the sneak peek of the week. Apparently there's coupons. In the sneak peek of the week, you can get a view of your whole entire week if you're a planner girly like me, and if you would like a planner but you don't have one. I do happen to sell some for less than $20 on Amazon. I will link them down below. They're super duper fun and one is even faith related. So these are the different missions of the week. You never know what you're going to get, and it just gives you an overview of the week so that you can plan accordingly. Let's head back to the launch pad and see what else this website has to offer. If you're just beginning, you might want to start with the zones. The zones change every single week, and if you click here every single week, you will see the different zones from 1 through 5. I also include the stairways in my entryway zones, but you can pick and choose a little bit later how you want those to be. Just don't reinvent the wheel because it's already pretty good. And then we have the detail cleaning. Once you have no more clutter, as we saw, we're going to begin detail cleaning because remember, you can't clean clutter. And this is just an idea of what you would be cleaning in that zone every single month. Of course, in addition to adding your personal touches, be sure to add your personal circumstances as well. If you don't have China, but you have a massive pantry, maybe you want to include that as well. And just ignore the ads. Otherwise than that, if you know how to use this website, it can be pretty simple. In the beginning, it does look overwhelming though, which is why I wanted to do this extensive walkthrough. This is the flight plan. This is more of your day-to-day, so to speak. You can see your whole entire day in this one page. Later on, we're going to have something like this in our control journals, so get excited because that's going to be super duper fun. But for now, you're welcome to check out your flight plan. Tongue twisters today. And then these are the daily focuses. So the daily focuses vary each and every day. And if I had to pick, this one is a total game changer from the Fly Lady system. This one and the zones completely changed my life. It's really, really fun. We'll get there though. If you have children, the Fly Ladies Children's Challenge are also very, very fun. And here's the pamper mission I was talking about. I'm just now seeing this for the first time when I was recording, and I was so shocked to see that it was a bath. So though that might take more than a couple of minutes, and if you're not in the habit of swish and swiping, you might not feel comfortable taking a bath. If you can, go for it, mama. Definitely you deserve it. But if not, an alternative is go on youtube.com and treat yourself with your favorite video and watch that as your little treat for completing this mission. Don't feel shy. You can pick one of my videos too. No, really, any video that makes you smile. These are the habits of the month, every single month is a different habit. These are the ones we already covered. This one I don't use as often anymore, but when I was first establishing the habits the first go round, since I didn't start with the 31 baby steps originally, then that was useful to me. The second time I started the Fly Lady system, which is in a different apartment, and I did start with the 31 baby steps then. So those are two different ways you can go about it. Now let's get to planning what we will be doing on pen permission today, because remember, that was part of the fun twist. There you have it. Those are all the things I like to use in the Fly Lady website. In order to find it, once again, you go to flylady.net on the homepage, and then you select the launch pad. You're going to find it right here. And that's where you will find everything at. Drop your questions in the comments if you have any. I'll happily be able to guide you more through it if needed. So what do you think of the website? And what about that super bonus fun pen permission? Let's get on that right now if you have a couple of minutes. If not, be sure to schedule a couple of minutes for yourself today. Get that done as well. In addition, be sure to check the links down below. I do have a free calendar. You can join me along on this journey. And tomorrow I will be going live at my usual time, 12 p.m. EST. We're going to chat about something a little bit different there. So if you would love to join me, I would love to have you. Don't forget to join in tomorrow for day 4 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you. If you have no idea what this challenge even is, you're not too late to join in. Check out the playlist here so you can learn all about it. Thank you. See you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.